Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset the BNY Mellon login credentials. And this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, let's start by opening our BNY Mellon application. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. All you need to do in order to go ahead and reset your password is going to be by using the option or self-service option like My Reset Express, or you could also use your identity verification service. But the best way I can simply go ahead and suggest to you is going to be by calling your support right over here. So as you can see, the number is mentioned right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and call this number and then ask them to reset your credentials. That's going to be the easiest. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.